Let's reset, let's factory reset the Motorola Moto G 7th generation. Let's start by holding power and volume down at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. And we'll let go as soon as we see the menu right by our fingers. Right there. We're going to use volume keys to scroll down to recovery mode. We're going to push power, OK. It's going to reboot, and in a few seconds, the fallen Android is going to show up. At the fallen Android, we're going to hold power and touch volume up. Hold power, touch volume up. It brings up the Android recovery menu. Using volume keys, we're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset. OK with power. We'll verify volume keys to choose factory data reset. OK with power. We're going to verify that the wiping data is complete. It's going to take a few seconds. Data wipe is now complete. Now we can reboot the system with power for OK. And that is how you hard reset, factory reset your Motorola Moto G 7th generation. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.